Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got these boho knotless braids on myself using the HotBraids bulk hair. So this is my first time trying out any bulk hair from HotBraids, and this is everything that I got in my packaging. You do get a lot of stuff like this comb, edge brush, this brush here, and then clips. And you do also get this really cute bag to hold all of your additional hair or just like your items that you would need to actually do your braids. But this is how the hair came, and like I said, this is bulk hair. So I got two different textures. They are linked down below. They do have a good variety of textures on their website, so definitely check them out. But this is the hair that I got. I got just like a normal kind of like yaki texture and then a curly texture. And these are the products that I use to actually do my braids. Now, I wanted to try something out that I've been seeing. I've been seeing a lot of people who use the bulk hair to crochet, kind of like a sew-in. So they kind of crochet their bulk hair to look like a sew-in, and then you'll have braids at the top and in the back. So that's what I went for with this look. So the part that I'm sectioning out right now is the part that I am actually going to add the crochet to. And I'm not too familiar with crocheting, so I did have to look on YouTube for some tutorials before I felt comfortable enough to do them on myself. So I'm just starting off braiding my hair down so that I can add the bulk hair to it. And it was very simple. I just did 2 large braids. And you're going to see just 2 large braids here in the middle. And then I added my bulk hair. So for the crochet portion, I decided to use the curlier hair. This is what it looks like here, and this is how the hair comes. You do get like 2 portions in one bundle of the hair. So this is how my curly hair looks, and again, it is linked down below. This hair was really good though because you can get it wet. I had no tangling whatsoever with my braids. The hair was actually really nice to do your braids with, especially doing it this way and having the hair just out. I have used hair from the beauty supply store to do braids like this, never a crochet, but to do braids like this, and they tangled horribly. So using this hair was definitely a step up. I was able to curl this hair. I was able to get it wet. I did test the hair. I did wet it. It didn't curl up anymore with me wetting it. It just was able to get wet, and then nothing happened to it. So this is just one section of the one bundle. Like I said, you get two sections of the one bundle. So I'm going to continue to add to the middle portion, and then I'll be adding my braids at the top and at the bottom. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looks so far. I was definitely into it. I thought it was really nice, and it helped my braids to go a little bit quicker. So here I am now. I have my braids in, and I went for a really like relaxed type of look. I really wanted the braids to just look really natural and kind of mermaidy. I think that's what the braids are called, like the mermaid locks type of braids. I don't know, but this is how everything was coming out. I did still have some of my curly hair left, so I decided to add more of it to the middle portion, but I was kind of getting tired of crocheting, and I hadn't started my braids yet. So I did, even after this, I did go back and add to the crochet portion. But now all of the hair that I left out for the boho look, I am going to curl because I used the majority of my curly hair in the middle. So I just used the regular kind of like yucky kind of texture on my actual braids, and I left that hair out. So now I'm just curling it for more of a kind of a look, more of a style, but you can definitely wear it straight as well. And again, you can get this hair wet, but I did really want to show you all that this hair is able to be curled because it is 100% human hair. So the hair is very nice. I would definitely recommend for your braids, especially if you kind of want to splurge on braiding hair and then do it yourself, you know, cut costs there. So definitely try them out. The links are in the description box below. I would definitely use this hair again. So let me know what you guys think, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like it, of course, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.